Yes, my people, good day. Hear the sound? Listen. Customer states on her BMW, she keep on losing coolant, have to keep filling it up. So we go pressure test it and see where the leak is coming from and then try to effect the repair. See? All right, come on, let's go. So we have a coolant leak, so we take the cap off and we get out with kit. We trust the coolant kit, find the correct one that fit this bottle. What I did was I marked my BMW because there are many of them look the same in the kit. So, boom. It's kind of tricky going down there, and then you have to make sure you get it threaded on level. Okay, you can go on cross threaded like this one trying to go on cross threaded right now. And then I just realized that this kit had a tool in it. We get the pump, put it on, we're going to pump it up, get it up maybe like 15 psi, and then look around for a leak. Let's go. Alright, wait. Easy find, quick find. Look at that. Look at that. Why, look at that. So we need a coolant bottle. That was an easy one. Alright, so let's go. This is the kit right here. So you see all these different pieces that are in here? Sometimes I have to name some of them. So this one fit like a BMW too, and then that one fit Bentley, imagine that. Right? So now we are going to replace this buckle and go from there. Yeah. Alright, this is a pretty straightforward repair, not too difficult. The hoses are quick disconnect. We have a bolt here and a bolt here. You just pull this clip up. There's a little clip. Don't pull it up out. It moves up like one click, one notch, and that's release. And there it is. I just kind of wiggle it and it comes out just like that. Simple as that. This is a new bottle, and I always like replacing the cap. If I replace the bottle, I replace the cap. Just the way I work. Alright? Just like that. So boom. Next thing now, undo this bolt right there, and there's another bolt right there. Strange. I don't know if that's factory or somebody, but whatever the case may be, two different sides. Try not to drop anything. Put it somewhere where you can get to it. Boom. And the next size now is a 25, and that was a 20. 20 and a 25, back to back. I don't need an extension for this one. Right here. Just like that. So now I have this hose undone. There's one more hose all the way down there. The same thing, it's larger and it's down low. So I'm going to pull up on the release and work it off. I have a drain bucket. Yeah, my people. My phone filled up with space a while ago and cut off the video. Alright, so we get the old one out. This is a new one going in. This is where the lower hose hanek. This is where the coolant level sensor connected. This is the plug. I installed that already. And then this is where the smaller hose goes at the top where the radiator goes, right? Alright, boom, bam. So the first thing I do is because these are quick disconnect, I put a little lubrication on there so that it snaps on a lot easier. So the first thing I do, next thing I do is I plug the sensor back in. Don't want to forget that, it's plugged in. And then the next thing, all right, see here, this is a little trick, like a little tip, right? You see these clips that hold it in place. I close them, the top one and the one down low. And then that way now, when I push them on, I can look at the clip and see when it opens and then closes again. And then that way I know it's in the right position. Because if it seems like it's on, it clip. It seems like it's on when it's not, and when you pressurize it, give it to the customer, then it blow off on them in the streets. So here's the next one. Listen. Clip. You know it's on. So we have that. Next thing we're going to do now is just put the screws back in and then proceed to fill it up. And it's as simple as that. It's not a difficult fix. You can do it yourself. So may I say? So we'll fill it up with BMW type stuff. And this is the brand I use. BMW stuff. And it's blue. So, yeah man, goes like that. Have a nice day man. Thanks for watching. Bless.
And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.